Hi everyone, Sam Losanda. We're going all around the town, and guess where I am at? I am at Diakon Community Services, and we're going to learn about the Diakon and Community Services. They've been here doing great work, and joining me now is the PA MEDI manager and volunteer coordinator, Kathy Conahead Baltzell. See, I said that right.
You did.
Now, first of all, tell me about Diakon Community Service.
Okay, well, thank you for coming to us here today at Diakon. So here in the Pottsville area, we focus on the senior community here at Diakon. So we are actually funded by the Pennsylvania Department of Aging, contracted by the Office of Senior Services to manage several senior programs in the county. We have the Meals on Wheels program that we manage, the senior centers. I know you spoke with Debbie and had a great time with her. We also do a living and learning program, health and wellness, in Operation Reach Out, which is a telephone reach out program for consumers. And then we also do what's called the PA MEDI program.
What is that?
So the PA MEDI program is a Medicare counseling program. We're actually part of a federal program. So anyone in the United States can go to any county and get free, unbiased Medicare counseling in any of the counties. They would just reach out to their aging office. So our Office of Senior Services contracts us to manage that program.
What do you do? Like, what are some of the concerns that they would have?
So Medicare is really, really complicated.
Yes, it is.
All through your life, you basically have insurance through an employer.
Yes.
And usually you pick like a premium plan or a basic plan. Well, when you are done and retired from your employer, now you have to make all the decisions on your insurance. So it's very complicated and it changes every year. So here at the PA MEDI program, we help people and counsel people on information to make the best choices for their Medicare journey. So whether it's you're looking at particular drugs that they're on or you're looking at a particular insurance, we would give unbiased information. And what I mean by that is we're not affiliated with any insurance agent, any brokers. We're not licensed agents, and we're not allowed to be through the PA MEDI program.
So you're servicing Schuylkill County?
So we service Schuylkill County. So we're looking at anybody who is on Medicare, so 65 years and older, anybody who's been disabled for 2 years who's now on Medicare, or anybody who's starting their journey with Medicare. So we help people get started with their journey, but also as the journey continues, we also help people navigate it. And what I mean by that, if you're having a problem with billing through Medicare, or you're having a problem with services being rendered through Medicare, we can jump in and help.
Boy, that's so helpful.
It is very helpful.
Because it's complicated to begin with.
Very complicated.
We have a phone number. So what number can they call you?
So you would reach out to Renee Stefnick. She's actually the Schuylkill County PA MEDI coordinator. Her phone number is 570-624-3026. And Renee would be more than willing to help you schedule an appointment for a one-on-one appointment to come in for a counseling session.
In fact, we're going to talk to Renee right now.
Awesome.
Joining me now is Renee Stefnick. She's the PA MEDI coordinator for Schuylkill County. That is a free service. Phone numbers on the screen. Now listen, my friends, if you're going to start Medicare, highly recommend give them a call, or if you have any questions, you could call them. So, okay, now let's talk about what programs people can ask about if they're having trouble paying for their Medicare or their prescriptions.
So with their prescriptions, we offer PACE is a program ran by the Pennsylvania Lottery, and that goes by their income and their resources. So for instance, with PACE, if they're under $33,500 for a single person or under $41,500 for a married couple, and their resources we don't have to really too much worry about, but we can get them covered with the PACE-Net program, and that can help eliminate some of the cost on their drug plans.
So there's other important dates that you'd like to mention to us?
October 15th to December 7th is our open enrollment, and they are very important days as there is going to be a lot of changes for the 2026 season of Medicare with price increases and whatnot. So we want to get them out and get them familiarized with what's going to happen, and we can help them with a lot of their Medicare decisions.
And now we're going to talk to a volunteer. So you always need volunteers, my friend. I'm glad to introduce to you Patty O'Neill, who is a volunteer for PA MEDI program in Schuylkill County. So what's it like to be a PA MEDI volunteer?
It's very rewarding. I ended up getting into this because of my own journey with Medicare. I was helping my husband, and it's very confusing, and I found it extremely interesting. And then because of some other volunteering that I do, I've got to interact with a lot of seniors that were on Medicare and had a lot of questions and concerns. And I decided that this was an avenue for me to utilize my time to really help other people. And I really enjoy, I had to take classes and get certified in order to do it, but I find it extremely helpful and rewarding in the fact that someone can come in and I can talk to them and help get them through that journey of trying to find the best solution for their situation. Because so often, even within a couple, the husband and wife might come in to talk about it, and the husband might have certain medical needs and the wife's might be completely different. And I have to share with them that, you know, the solution for one of you is not the same solution that works for the other.
Yes, yes.
And people are grateful for the help, and they often say to me, well, why do you do this? And I said, it's interesting.
Yeah.
And
you're helping people.
I'm helping people.
Yeah, that's the, and we have a lot of people out there, and you're looking for volunteers, aren't
absolutely.
you?
And
what would it entail?
Well, what you would have to do is there's 12 classes that you take. They're online. You take instructions online, did some Zoom training, and you take tests at the end. And it's not difficult. But you need to be committed. You would want to, if you want to be a volunteer, I recommend that you do it at least one day a week, that you come into the office to counsel. Because if it's something that you would just do like once a month, you're not going to stay fresh and on top of things that are going on, because there's a lot of information there. But somebody that's maybe been in healthcare, maybe been like a caseworker, social worker, somebody that's been involved with like business and you like finance and things like that. I mean, it's varied. I mean, there's people that retired teachers, anything.
Okay, Kathy, you have some closing remarks.
I do. So Sam, I just want to reiterate what Patty said about volunteering. It's definitely a rewarding, as much as it is a service to the people that we counsel, it's just as rewarding to the volunteer. And I am the volunteer coordinator at Diakon Community Services. So if you're interested in volunteering for the PA MEDI program, please call at 570-624-3013 and ask for Kathy. And again, like Patty said, it is a commitment. The training is all free. So it's free knowledge, and it's an exciting journey. So if you'd like to be a part of that, be able to help the seniors in the Schuylkill County community, reach out and become a PA MEDI volunteer.
Medicare is extremely important, as you know, and it's complicated. They're here to help you. Phone numbers on the screen, volunteer if you could, but most importantly, get information. It's so very important. We'll see you next time.